today about building the institutional infrastructure to catch up with the latest developments in blockchain. Actually, first let me explain about the TÜBİTAK. TÜBİTAK Bilgem is the largest R&D center in Turkey. Since 16 years and with more than 2,000 researchers, we are dealing with the cryptology, cybersecurity, blockchain technologies, and software development, and many other areas. Luckily, we have a large department of cryptology researchers. More than 100 people are working in cryptology. That makes us inside the blockchain industry. So this blockchain industry recently shifted from the public networks to the private institutional agencies, all coming into the system. With before they were in different tracks, but now they are all merged. And after the Bitcoin and the blockchain, there were many speculations about if these digital assets will be the future or just a hype. Now we are settled in the beyond speculation area, where now we have to address the trust deficit of the industry. How will we make it? The TÜBİTAK now put on a vision and a mission that we are going to bridge the gap between this new blockchain technology and the institutional adaptation. Now, how do we make this happen? First of all, we have to put on concrete measures, security and regulative measures to let the institutional investors adapt in this area confidently. So the main, one of the main goals of TÜBİTAK is to build this infrastructure mandate together with the Capital Markets Board of Turkey. We recently published the Crypto Asset Service Providers Information Technology and Infrastructure Criteria. This is not a one-time shot. This is an evolving document where all the crypto asset service providers can contribute, has to apply their technologies to this criteria. The main focus is balancing the market integrity with the investor protection. So you can find our blueprints and whiteprints and frequently asked questions here. This is one of the most regulated country. We became one of the most regulated countries. But it is not easy to regulate a sector without knowing the technology, underlying technology behind the blockchain or cryptography. So we have a deep framework research capability in TÜBİTAK, as I said, with more than 100 cryptology researchers. So we also testing the blockchain solutions and the public networks for both performance, speed, and liabilities. Until now, we published a criteria, but it's not the end point. We are now working on staking, how these crypto asset server providers will stake and get the advantages of DeFi. After that, we will work on this tokenization of assets. Mostly, it will be also work together with this capital market board. And then the interoperability rules, because we have other many problems. Making the regulation for the long term doesn't save your physical current occurrence and technology problems. So we have to solve this quantum threat first. And we are, with more than 100 cryptographers, we are now preparing the midterm vulnerabilities first, because now we have a big problem in this area. If you get the current data and resolve it later with the quantum technologies, you will get the past of all the data will be decrypted. So we have to find ways today, before the crypto and before the quantum threat came alive. So also we have to shield current wallet systems and identities. So the other one is also, because we have the regulation hat, we have to standardize what this application should be in the sector. After this regulation and quantum threats, now we have the private institutional track, where we have to run the permissioned blockchain networks for central banks or tokenized assets who needs their own track without these public networks. So one of the critical things where you have to run your private network is the identity problem. So we solve it by self-sovereign identity network. It's alive since 2019, and our pilot works with central banks are utilizing this self-sovereign identities, and it's also compatible with European regulations and many other authentication protocols. So these are again not enough, and we, as TÜBİTAK, we are ready for the other things, which are combating the financial crime. So putting a regulation doesn't protect you from the crimes. What we can do is, first of all, the international mandate tells us to have a travel rule adaptation. We just became the interinstitutional travel hub of Turkey, and it is alive. We are serving now many crypto asset service providers. The confidence layer is the TÜBİTAK itself. So the crypto asset service providers are not dependent on each other. The network is the TÜBİTAK systems. On the other hand, there are many international successful anti-money laundering systems, but as a sovereign Turkish system, we are developing the crypto radar. It's under development, and by the end of this year, we are planning to go live. And you know that many use cases of this anti-money laundering problems, and we are trying to solve a large subset of this problem with this product. So we have the crypto anti-money laundering, combating the crimes regulation, but where are the keys stored? So we are not just developing yet another custody systems, but an infrastructure which is institutional grade, and keeping in mind the primary focus of us is the custody itself. It's not augmenting a system to the regulation, but it's just born inside the regulation. So we are just invisibly blended into the bank's network and trying to live inside the bank with our hot wallet and cold wallet solutions, where the keys are stored in hardware security modules, and the signature activation is done inside a trusted execution environment. These modules are both made in Turkey, and we are working on the hardware security module since 2001. 25 years of experience made these devices bulletproof, and we are very much proud of these appliances. So on top of these two items, we just built the application layer, which protects our case with multi-signature and multi-party computation protocols, or all at once are living inside this signature activation module. So we are, and the engineering is also sovereign. So this one is a good alternative to the international counterparts, but also it's a sovereign, end-to-end sovereign solution, so that we are not affected by any international problems anymore. And we don't stop there, and we just try to empower the ecosystem with our research and education systems. We are supporting the ecosystems by educations, hackathons, public events. This is the ecosystem. And apart from this one, we also give our strategic advisory to many banks and financial institutions, which we learned on the way. And this will make Turkey in a secure, more secure and largest adaptation of crypto world. So we are not just building the infrastructure, but we know that you and other ecosystem partners are also needed to increase this adoption, and we need more robust solution. We didn't make any distinction between any market leader or a just found startup to make a collaboration. So just reach us, and we can discuss what we can do together. Lastly, I would like to thank this blockchain week for organizing one more quality year today, and inviting us to give us the opportunity to tell about TÜBİTAK. Thank you very much.